Hey, what's up, everybody? How you doing today? Today is a special day for me, actually. This phone is out here in Saudi Arabia, and I'm very, very happy that to announce that it's out here right now. It's from STC, so you'll find it only on STC store. You cannot find it anywhere else. So this is exclusive to STC, but it can work on any SIM that you have in the country, so no problem with that. I'm gonna use it with my main SIM card from STC, and the second SIM is from Zain for 5G internet. But this, guys, this is the Motorola Edge 20 Pro. This phone is very, very special. It has many specification, and I've said this before in a video. The reason why I actually think this is the future, this is the right phone for me personally. I'm speaking about myself because my previous phone is this guy over here. This is the Realme X2 Pro. It's been with me for around maybe 2 years and a half, around, I think around 2 years and more than that. But as you can see, the phone started to age right now. Although I'm gonna miss the headphone jack. There is no headphone jack here, but yeah, that's the compromise. But what I'm gonna get here is a great periscope camera, a 5x and 108 megapixels. So upgrade overall in the camera is present here. In addition to the processor, we're talking the Realme X2 Pro has a Snapdragon 855 Plus. Here we have the Snapdragon 870, which is a big leap, big jump into performance and rendering, because I use my phone for rendering a lot of stuff. So this is gonna be great. And not only that, it has a 5G, as you can see here, and it has ready for compatible. I'm gonna talk about this later on. Some people on YouTube actually mentioned what is ready for thing over here, but it's actually very nice feature, which is gonna describe in a separate video, complete separate. This is the blue color with the 256 gigabytes, 12 gigabyte RAM, and really nice, guys. So let's just start open up this box and see how it actually looks like here, and hopefully this is easy to open. Okay, just give me a second. All right, we're almost done. Very easy to open, and that's it. Okay, let's open the box and see what we have here. Okay, so we're greeted with the Motorola logo with a nice looking phone, and the screen looks big, by the way. It looks really good. Now the phone, it seems that it already have the screen protector. Let's see. Yeah, it's already there. This is the screen protector, and let's take a quick look at the screen protector over here. We have a mic input here. The screen does have a little bit of increase in the size is actually a little bit flat. Let me double check. Yeah, let me just give you a better angle. Okay, here, and it seems that the it's a little bit flattier than I expected. I expected to be more increased, but there is a small amount of increase on the bottom here, which is okay for me. It's no problem. And as you can see, we have a big speaker on the back right here with the microphone, USB Type C, and the SIM card here. This is a combination of SIM card and either micro SD card or dual SIM. And on the back is where the magic is. This beautiful camera over here. Let me just show you. Let me double zoom into it right here. So here, as you can see, this is 108 megapixel. This is the just give you extra zoom here. Okay, let me just see, put it here on the table. All right, so what you're looking at right now is the one in the middle here is 108 megapixel resolution, as you can see at the big lens. The smallest one here is the ultra wide. This is where you see this tiny little bit lens on here. This is the ultra wide lens, and this is the periscope lens, as you can see, where it actually comes as a square instead of a circle. And the area over here is where the periscope lays in this area, just sit on this area right here. We have a microphone here for Zoom audio, which is awesome, great. And as you can see, you have ultra pixel from 13 millimeters to 126 millimeter ultra pixels. This is very, very capable camera. Very, very, very excited to see what I can do with it. Anyways, let's just take a look at let's take out actually the cover. Oh yeah, forgot. On the right side, we have a fingerprint sensor. Okay, the good thing is that there is no sound when you click. There is no clicky sound, annoying clicky sound. It's very calm. And we have a fingerprint sensor that is also a clickable power button. All right, let's take out the screen or the cover and see what it actually looks like. I'm sorry, I bet it's gonna look way better than. All right. Oh, it looks really beautiful. Check this out. Look at the reflections, man. People say this is take the white color. I'm sorry, man. There's too many bright white. I mean, the white color is so nice, but it reflects many colors, like sometimes pink, light pink, yellow, like gold. It's very, very light colors. For me, I prefer this more bluish dark color for me. I mean, I'm talking about me personally. And does it have a fingerprints? Does it attract any fingerprints? No, I don't think so. It doesn't. It's not slippery. It's not something between. Oh, it's actually slippery. Yeah, it's a slippery material. So yeah, but overall, the shape of the screen looks really nice. It doesn't have a protective screen on it, so just you should get yourself. And by the way, the weight is very nice. It's lightweight actually. Oh, there's a microphone on the top here. Yeah. Wow, I'm so excited about this phone, man. This is the Google Assistant button, which is I don't know why it's there. What I'm noticing here is the volume is way up here, so it's on the top. So when my hand rests here, it just always rests on the power, almost the power, but it's hard to reach the volume button over here on the top. But it's something that we might get used to, or I might get used to it, the no issues. Now, the good thing about this Motorola is that as a previous owner of Motorola, let me show you a phone. Probably guys gonna be surprised. Remember this guy? Remember this guy? Do you know what this phone is? This is the this is the old school guys. Oh yeah, that's my previous phone. I used it for many years. But now I'm upgrading to this giant, crazy phone, man. Let me just compare it to the Realme X2 Pro next to it. And I'm gonna remove the cover so you can be compared next to each other. Look at this. It's bigger than the Realme X2 Pro. Obviously 6.7-inch screen, and it's actually looks way better. And also the screen has more screen to aspect ratio, better screen to aspect ratio. So here, as you can see, the notch here, but with the Motorola, you don't need see a notch. It's small. Let me just take out the cover. Why I'm holding this here? I'm gonna take it real quick. Okay. This is tough stickers to take out, man. Anyways, I'll take it out later, but I'm just showing you the unboxing experience. Before I go, guys, let me just show you what's in the box. So here you have what's going on here? Yeah, just some paperwork. I think this is just paperwork. Not a big deal. Now here's the real thing, guys. We have USB-C to USB-C, and we have the power brick, which is which is, since you're in the Middle East and Saudi Arabia, it's a 3-pin. So that's a good news, guys. So you have a 30 watts, as you can see, 30 here, the sign of 30. This is the UK power bottom. Usually this is the from Middle Eastern area where you use the 3-pin plugs. So this is a good news that we have 3-pin. Yeah, and we have this zoom ejector tool. So that's about it about the unboxing, guys. I'm gonna play with this phone a little bit and see what I can do, and drop more videos later on comparing it with other phones as well. Thank you guys for watching. Take care, everybody, and see you in another video.